हम्म।
ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणी भगवती अष्टादशाध्यायिनी अम्ब त्वम् अनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणि नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे पुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवैत्रेकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। सुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयद्रथजला गान्धारनीलोत्पलः शल्यग्रहवती कृपेण वह्नि कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी स्तोतीर्णा खलु पाण्डवै रणनदी कैवर्तकः केशवः पाराशर्यजसरोजममलं गीतार्थगन्धोत्कटम् नानाख्यानककेसरं हरिकथा सम्बोधनाबोधितं लोके सज्जनपटपदयहरः पेपीयमानं मुदा भूयात् भारतपङ्कजं कलिमल रघ्वंसिन श्रेयसे मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। गीता महात्म्यम् गीताशास्त्रमिदं पुण्यं य पठेत् प्रयत पुमान् विष्णोः पदमवाप्नोति भयशोकविवर्जितः गीताध्यानशीलस्य प्राणायामपरस्य च नैव सन्ति हि पापानि पूर्वजन्मकृतानि च मरनिर्मोचनं पुंसां जलस्नानं दिने दिने सकृत् गीताम्बसि स्नानं संसारमलनाशनम् गीतासु गीता कर्तव्या किमैकशास्त्रविस्तरे या स्वयं पद्मनाभस्य मुखपद्माद्विनिसृता भारतमृतसर्वस्वं विष्णोप्रस्तद्विनिसृतं गीतागन्धोदकं पीत्वा पुनर्जन्म न विद्यते सर्वोपनिषदो गावो दोग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्सः सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत् एकं शास्त्रं देवकी पुत्रगीत एको देवो देवकीपुत्र एव एको मन्त्रकस्य नामानि यानि कर्माण्येके तस्य देवस्य सेवाः अथ ध्यानं शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभाङ्गं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिज्ञानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथम् यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्र रुद्रमरुतः स्तुवन्ति दिव्यैस्तवै वेदे साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदि गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततगेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनो यस्यान्त न विदुः सुरगणा देवाय तस्मै नमः।
उत्तमं। धन्यवादः भगिनी। अद्य किमपि न पाठ्यते, केवलं ह्यस्तनपरीक्षायाः ये प्रश्नाः आसन् तेषाम् उत्तराणां विषये चर्चा भविष्यति। तथा च या कापि वा किमपि प्रष्टुमिच्छति चेत् कृपया पृच्छतु। तस्य निवारणं यावत् शक्यमहं करिष्यामि। प्रथमं किं करणीयं? उत्तराणां चर्चा अथवा सन्देहनिवारणं? किं करणीयम्?
उत्तराणां चर्चां करणीयम्।
उत्तराणां चर्चा करणीया। अस्तु। पश्यतु, प्रथम प्रश्न तथा द्वितीय प्रश्न तु भवतः चयनानुसारं भविष्यति, तर्हि तद्विषये अहं किमपि न वदिष्यामि। किमित्युक्ते तत्र प्रायः 5-6 शब्दाः दत्ताः सन्ति, तेषु एकं चित्वा तस्य रूपाणि तत्र लेखनीयानि। तथा च द्वितीये प्रश्ने 4 पदानि दत्तानि सन्ति, तेभ्यः एकं चित्वा तस्य प्रथम न एकवचन सर्वासां विभक्तीनाम् एकवचनी रूपं स्वीकृत्य तैः वाक्यानि रचनीयानि आसन्। तत् केन किं कृतम् अहं न जानामि। तर्हि तृतीयप्रश्ने पश्यतु, उचितः उपविभक्तिः उपयुज्य रिक्तानि स्थानानि पूरयत. Okay, now here, before we come to the actual answers, let us see how much you have understood. I mean, uchitaha and upavibhaktihi, what are these two words and what is their this one? Let us dissect these words itself. What is uchita, uchitaha and upavibhaktihi? Which pratipadikam? Or okay, let us see. First, let us come to the answers. So first is Rama Vina Sita Ayodhyayam Sthatum Na Ichchadi, or this one. So what should be the answer?
Ramena.
Ramena Vina.
Okay.
There can be 3 answers, Mahodaya. Ramena,
Uh,
Ramat, or
Ramam.
Ramam.
yeah, there are
All 3
answers.
can be.
Yeah, all 3 are correct. Ramam Vina, Ramena Vina, Ramat Vina. Okay.
Ramena Vina, Ramat Vina.
Ramat Vina. All 3 are correct. Anyone, you can choose anyone. Okay. I will not cut marks if you have written only one. Only one is required. If somebody gives 2, well and good. If somebody gives 3, very good. I mean, I can also good, better, best, but I can't give negative marks for not writing any. If you, apart from these 3, if you write something else, Ramasya Vina, because in Hindi Bhasha, Ram ke Vina, that is not allowed. Okay. So Shri Krishna Arjuna Prati Gita Upadishat.
Arjunam.
Arjunam Prati.
Arjunam Prati, very good. Then Samskrita Rute Gitaya Samyak Jnanam Na Bhavati.
One question, sir.
वो गलत हो गया संस्कृत गलत है
संस्कृतः ऋते
No.
Sanskritat Rute.
Samskritat Panchami Agachati. Okay, Rute Shabdasya Panchami.
Sanskrit is not Panchami.
Huh?
When you use taha, doesn't apply for Panchami?
No, I heard Sanskritaha. If you put Sanskrita, double ta, Sanskritaha, then it is agreed. I mean, Tasil Pratyaya in place of Panchami it comes. If you have written Sanskritaha, then it is acceptable. Normally,
Right.
people don't use that. But I will not, if you have written double ta, if you have just written single ta and put Visarga Sanskritaha, then that is not correct.
Okay.
I have not seen the papers. Okay.
No, I have not put that double ta.
Let me see. Now, second, the last.
One question, sir.
Yes.
You are expected to put all possible answers here or only one answer?
No, only one. Only one.
Only one. Okay.
Then Mahabharata Yuddha Param Kurukshetram Naraka Sadrusham Jatam.
Mahabharata Yuddhat Param Kurukshetram Narakena Sadrusham.
Narakena Sadrusham. Very good. Okay.
Sir, I put only na, naragena. It should be na.
No, anyway, it should be narakena saha.
Naragena I put. Correct.
Yeah. Huh? And those who wrote answers on single paper, I just want the verb there where you will fill up. I mean, I don't expect you people to write the entire sentence. If you are written, it is okay. I mean, I don't mind. But minimum was that. Okay, now, किम शब्दस्य उचितानि रूपाणि प्रयुज्य अधोरेखांकित शब्दान् अधिकृत्य एतेषाम् उत्तराणां प्रश्नवाक्यानि लिखत. सो देहि जीर्णानि शरीराणि विहाय अन्यानि नवानि गृह्णाति. So I have underlined sharirani.
Kani.
Is it
Huh?
Kani?
Kani.
Kani.
Kani. Okay. So just write Kani, more than sufficient. Okay. I mean, those who are written on paper. Then apuryamanam achala pradeshtam samudram apaha pravishanti.
Kaha.
Wait, let others answer.
Kaha.
Kim
Kutra.
Pravishanti.
Huh? So
Apaha.
one person says kaha, other says
Kim.
Kim. Then
Kaha.
okay, other says kaha. Okay. Now here, see, the catch is pravishanti is what vachanam.
Oh,
Okay,
Bahuvajanam.
bahuvachan.
Bahuvachan.
So the question should be in bahuvachan.
Okay.
It cannot be kim.
Okay.
Okay, that is one thing. Kim pravishati is okay, but pravishanti either it should be bahuvachan. Now the next is lingam. What is the lingam of up? I think I had discussed this in one of the classes. Huh?
Napusakalingam.
Nee, why?
I think it has multiple lingas.
No, no.
Apam, Jalam.
No. The word up has only one linga.
Pullinga.
No. Now all the three are possible. I mean, you say the up, the word up has Strilingi Shabda. Okay.
Strilinga Nitya Bahuvachanam.
Ha.
And Kaha is correct then.
So Kaha.
Kaha. Okay. The catch was the meaning of up is Jalam. And Jalam is Napusakalingi Shabda. So people will first this one will be okay. I mean, this shloka, the sentence has been taken from Bhagavad Gita but slightly modified to make it straight prose sentence. Apuryamanam achala pradeshtam samudramapa pravishanti yadvat tadvat kama ya pravishanti sarve sashanti mapnoti na kama kami. So catch was people will think that I mean many people have read the translation of Bhagavad Gita, na? So the translation is embedded in the mind. So people will think the waters keep on pouring into the ocean. The ocean still is same. It doesn't cross the boundary, unless of course in tsunami and all that. So the water, the word is jalam. So jalam in Napasakalingi Shabda is kim pravishanti. So first of all, linga is wrong. Secondly, vachana is wrong. Okay. So apashabda, and one more thing. Up, whatever we use up shabda, it is always in bahuvachan. Whether I mean the water you're under consideration, it is ekavachanam or dvivachanam, nothing. So nadyaha jalam, but nadyaha apaha. Okay, the water of the river. But if you want to use the up this one, it is always Bahuvachan. So that is why Pravishanti is Bahuvachan Shabda. So,
Sir, Putra is wrong, sir. Putra means where it is going. That's not the right thing.
no. I have underlined this only. This one. Apaha Pravishanti. Hello.
Yeah.
If I underline Samudram, then you can put Kutra Pravishanti. I have underlined Apaha, so you have to make the question with respect to Apaha, not with respect to Samudram. Okay. So Apuryamanam Achala Pradishtam Samudram Kaha Pravishanti, that is the right answer.
I think the sentence is not follow. I think that's the meaning of the sentence itself. I have not understood.
Okay, I mean, okay, we'll see. Okay. Now, Prasannena Shri Krishnena Atma Yogat Arjunaya Vishwarupam Darshitam. So, underline is Atma Yogat. So, what is this Vibhakti?
Panchami Vibhakti.
Panchami. And Lingam? Atma Yoga.
Linga.
Huh?
Pullinga.
So, Tasya Pullinga.
Kasmat.
Kasmat. Very good. Then Sankhya Buddhya Yuktaha Naraha Karma Bandham Prahasyati. So Karma Sankhya Buddhya. What is the Vibhakti Vachan and
Panchami
Lingam?
Vibhakti.
Tritiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam.
Huh?
Tritiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam.
Yes, Tritiya Vibhakti Ekvachan Lingam.
Striling.
Strilingam. So
Kaya.
Kim Shabdasya Strilinge Tritiya Vibhakti Ekvachan
Kaya.
Kaya. Very good. Anye Kechana Maam Jnana Yadnena Upasate. So, which Vibhakti, Vachan and Lingam?
Pulling.
Tritiya Bahuvachan.
Tritiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam.
Tritiya Vibhakti Ekvachan Lingam?
Pulling.
Pulling.
Kena.
Jnana Yadnyaha.
Kena.
Kena. Okay. So, Anye Kechana Maam Kena Upasate. That is the question. But if you write Kena on paper, more than sufficient. Now, संख्यावाचक शब्द ही उत पूर्ण प्रत्यांत शब्द ही रिक्त स्थानानि पूरयत.
Sir,
हाँ.
but disconnected my mobile. Kasmat answer is there for C.
Yeah, Kasmat.
Correct? No?
Yeah. For
Thank you, sir.
D it is Kaya.
B it is Kaha.
No. Kaya. Tritiya Vibhakti Ekvachan. Kaha is for B. B for Bombay.
Okay, Kaha.
D for Delhi is Kaya.
Oh, okay, Kasya I wrote. Kaya. Okay, sir.
E is Kena.
Kena. Okay.
Now, Sankhya-vachak shabda hi. Here, I mean, it was simple. I mean, it looked slightly difficult, but most of people are right. I mean, I hope they are written good. So, etasam, that Sankhya is Chatwari, Bhagini Nam. So, the thing is, Chatur Shabdasya Strilinge and etasam ka vibhakti kim vachanam.
Shashti Vibhakti Bahuvachanam.
हाँ. So, Chatur Shabdasya Strilinge.
Chaturtam Bhaginino.
Huh?
Chaturtam Bhaginino.
No.
Chatusranam.
Chatasrunam.
Chatusrunam.
Chatasrunam. Okay. I will post the actual answers after the class. So Chatasrunam. And again here, Ram Lakshman Bharat Shatrugna iti 4. Bhatruvihi sah jata. So Bhatruvihi.
Tritiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam.
Tritiya Vibhakti.
Chaturbihi.
So Chaturbihi. Okay.
Chaturbihi
Yeah, Chaturbihi, Pullinge. Huh? If by chance I reverse the question, huh, that Ramah, Lakshmana, Bharata, Shatrugna, cha iti for Bhatrunam Vivaha. So what should come here?
Chaturbihi.
No, no, no. Bhatrunam, not Bhatrubihi. Bhatrunam.
Chaturnam.
Purnam.
And then for the, the brides, I put
Chatusruhi.
Sita Urmila. Oh, there's a spelling mistake. I put Urmala. Actually, it should be Urmila. Mandavi Tata Shrutakirti and
Chatusruhi.
Chatusribihi.
Chatasruvi. Okay. Bhagini Bhi Jata. Okay. Now, B is very simple. Pandaveshu Bhimaha Tatha Nakulaha.
Dvitiyaha
Huh.
tata cha Nakulaha
Huh.
Chaturthaha.
Chaturtha. Okay. I mean, straightway he used to Yudhishthir, Bhim, Arjun, Nakul, Sahadev. So the order is well known. The next is very simple. There is no, but only thing GK is involved, not the language. Kurukshetre Kauravanam Sena, so many Akshauhini Mita, Tata Pandavanam Sena, so many Akshauhini Mita Asit. I mean, this is our general knowledge of Mahabharata, nothing to do with this one. A very simple language.
Ekadasha Sapta.
Ekadasha and Sapta. That's all.
Sapta.
Okay.
So here,
Sapta.
Pratyanta is not there, sir.
Ekadasha.
Him?
Here, Purna Pratyanta is not there.
Why Purna Pratyayanta will be there? I mean,
Only the Ekadasha and Sapta.
no, but why did you get the doubt of Purna Pratyayanta? Is it seventh or just seven?
7, yeah, only
Like
7.
7 battalions. I mean, I don't know how much is Akshauhini. I'm just using the word which is there in common, this one, that battalions or brigades or whatever it is. Or so 7
So why?
and
Why? Because the question it says Sankhya Vachaka Shabdehi Utta Purna Pratyanta Shabdehi Rikta Sthanan. That's
no,
what doubt.
that is where it is required. Not you
Okay.
use wherever it is not required.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you say Pandaveshu Bhimaha Dvau, will it be okay? And Nakulaha Chatvaraha.
No.
Okay. I mean,
So
Nakulaha
Utta means
pardon?
Utta Sankhya Vachaka Shabdehi Utta. Utta means
Uta means or, but wherever required.
or.
Not
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
then Bharata Deshasya Swantantra Dinam August Masasya डैश दिनांके तथा च गणतंत्र दिवसः जनवरी मासस्य डैश दिनांके आचर्यते. Again GK, not much this one. So what is the answer?
Panchadashi.
Dinange.
Shadvimshati.
दिनांके उत्तमम.
Shadvimshati.
Shadvimshati Dinange.
No. Here Shadvinshati
Tami Dinanke.
Okay. Because after Navadasha, up to Navadasha, there is not Tama. After Navadasha, either it is Vinshati Tamaha or Vinshati Tama or Vinshati Tami. And here it is Dinanke Saptami Ekvachan. So Shadvinshati Tame Dinanke.
Sir, in the answer you have given the book Shadvimshati Dinanke. That is not correct then?
No, there is one thing. Okay. If you combine the word together, Shadvinshati Dinanka, then it is just Shadvinshati Dinanke. But here I have split the word, the Dinanka is taken out, and you have to write the appropriate Vibhakti Vachan of Shadvinshati.
Okay, okay.
So there is Shadvinshati Tame Dinanke. Okay. I mean, there are two separate words. If you combine as a compound word, then Shadvinshati Dinanke.
Okay.
सामान्य वर्षेषु फेब्रुवरी मासे कति दिनानि भवन्ति?
सर कंट्रोवर्सी आंसर हाफ मार्क दे देना.
We will see. We will decide the marking strategy with all of you. Okay. Huh?
Ashtavimshati dinani.
Say it again.
Ashtavimshati dinani.
There is a spelling mistake. Okay. It is Ashtavinshati.
Ashtavimshati.
Okay. See your book. I will tell you page number. संख्यावाचक शब्दः कुत्र सन्ति? गणनां कुर्मः इति पाठः अस्ति. कुत्र गतः?
एकषष्टिपुष्ट.
I don't find where it is. I have earlier seen, but I don't know where it is. Anyway, it is Ashtavinshati, and
Okay.
leap varshe
That word doesn't come in Gita Sopan 2.
Pardon?
Gita Sopan 2 book. Gita Sopan 2 book. That Ashtavinshati Shabda is not there.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah. It comes in our Pravesh exam. It is there.
Okay.
In the book, what it is there?
No, I'll check up and find out. But I mean, there is a general knowledge. Okay.
Nice talking.
Will not lose much marks. Don't worry.
सर अष्टाविंशति तमः.
Na Ashtavinshati Tamaha will be the 28th day, not the 28th number of days.
Okay.
Tamaha will always give that on that particular date, on the 28th day of February month. Okay.
Okay, understood.
And leap over
Sir,
Navavimshati.
Navavinshati. Okay. But here,
उधर भी मैं तमा लिख दिया.
no, hold on. One more thing. I mean, I don't know what people have written, but when you write Ashtavinshati or Navavinshati, there is a Visarga at the end. Okay. It is not just Ashtavinshati. It is Ashtavinshatihi and Navavinshatihi. That is a. Okay. So,
Okay, sir.
I mean, you yourself can grade your performance. No problem. Now here yathochitam linga parivartanam krutva likhata. Now, little background of this. If any word you come across, your first, thought that should go to your mind is whether this is a tinganta or what is that called? Subanta or avya. Avya is kind of subanda. Okay, avya is this one. So among the tingantas and subantas, if tingantas are there, what we should look for? Mool dhatu, lakar, purusha, vachanam. Okay. And for the subantas, what is the mool shabda? That is pratipadikam, lingam, vachanam, vibhakti. Okay. So here again linga parivartanam eva tavadeva. So you have to just change the lingam, nothing else. So you have to keep the vachanam and vibhakti same without changing the pratipadikam. Okay. So now mahati. So what is the linga vachan vibhakti
Saptami Vibhakti Ekavachanam
and lingam?
Pullinga.
Either pullinga or napusaka,
Napunsaka.
both. So, but you have to change the lingam to saptami vibhakti. Lingam to strilingam, keeping saptami vibhakti and
Ekavachanam.
same.
Mahatyam.
शब्दस्य स्त्रीलिंगे किं भवति?
Mahatyam.
महत् न, टेल मी द प्रातिपदिकम फर्स्ट.
Mahat.
महत् शब्दस्य स्त्रीलिंगे किं भवति?
Mahatyam.
You are telling me the final answer. I am asking you what is
Mahata.
प्रातिपदिकम. I will say, Mahat Shabdas, if somebody is great, like Mahatma, Mahan Atma. So if I say some lady, so what should I use in place of Mahan? Sorry?
Mahati. Mahati.
Mahati. So Raswa Ikaranta, Dirgha Ikaranta.
Hraswa.
Huh?
Hraswa ikaranta.
No, that is not.
Hraswa ikaranta.
If it is, Strilingi Shabda will be Dirgha Ikara, Mahati. And it will be declined like Nadi. Okay. So now, like Nadi Shabdasya, Saptami Ekvachan Kim Bhavati?
This is Mahatyam. Nadyam.
Nadyam. So change Mahat to that Mahatyam. Okay. Like that. Now Damayantya. It is already given, it is Trilingam. So what is the Vibhakti? In Ekvachan? Ekvachan I have told what is the Vibhakti?
Tritiya. Tritiya.
Tritiya Vibhakti. So what should be the Pratipadikam?
Damayanti.
Damayanti Dirgha Ikaranta. Okay? Right? Now here there is a catch. Damayanti is a Shatru Pratyayanta Shabda. Like At I have given in the table, but there I have not given the Strilingi Shabdas. That is okay. Like say Gachan, Gachat Shabdasya. I have given 5 forms. Gachan, Gachantau, Gachantaha. There the Strilinga will be Gachanti Dirgha. So like Gachanti, as if it is there, then the मूल शब्द अस्ति गच्छत्. तथैव दमयन्ती अस्ति स्त्रीलिंगी शब्दे, तर्हि पुल्लिंगी भवति दमयत्. And it will be declined like gachat, gachan, gachantau, gachantaha, damayan, damayantau, damayantaha. But the pratipadikam is damayat. And now trutiya. So what is the trutiya of gachat?
Gachata.
No.
Gachata.
Gachata. That table number 1. Okay. So damayat will be
Damayanta.
not, na will not be just damayata. Like na will be there in the first, from 1.1 to 2.2. Gachan, gachantau, gachantaha, gachantam, gachantau. From 2.3 onwards, no, gachataha, gachata, gachadam, like that.
But in Striling it will come, in will come Damayantya.
In Strilinga, Damayanti, you might have heard the name of
Yeah.
Damayanti.
Sir, answer is Damayanti, no?
No, answer is Damayata.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay. Now
Damayata.
again here, Buddhimata. Here, what is the Pratipadikam?
Buddhimat.
Buddhimat. So Strilinga will be
Buddhimati.
Buddhimati. Buddhimati. And so what is the here Vibhakti? Buddhimata.
Tritiya vibhakti ekavachanam.
Ekvachan. So Buddhimati Shabdasya Tritiya Ekvachan will be
Buddhimata.
no Buddhimati. So
Buddhimatya.
Buddhimat.
Buddhimatya.
Okay.
Okay, Buddhimata is there. Okay.
You have to think little bit more. Okay, Swamini Bhyam. So here the Pratipadikam is
Swami. Swamini.
Swami Bhyam.
Swamin.
no. I'm asking only for this word, not for the Pullinga.
Swamini. Swamini.
Swamini. So for the pulling of Swamini, what should be the pulling of Swamini?
Swamin.
No, just Swamin.
Swamin.
Pratipadikam. Okay. Swamin, like Shashin. And then apply the same pratyaya there. Chaturthi.
Swami Bhyam. Swami Bhyam.
Swamibhyam.
Okay. Esham.
Swami Bhyam, correct?
Correct.
Assam.
Now Esham. Esham Shabda.
Eta.
Kim Pratipadikam.
Yes.
What is the Pratipadikam of Esham? Lingam, Vachanam, Vibhakti.
Asian.
Pulling. Vibhakti.
I mean, I again Pullinga here, so it has to be Pullinga. In the left corner of the top row, I again Pullinga. So very good, Pullinga. What is Pratipadikam?
Etat.
No,
Idam.
Idam. Etat Shabdasya, that, okay, we will come to that. So Idam is the Pratipadikam. And Vibhakti Vachan,
Saptami Bahuvachan.
Shakti vibhakti bahuvachanam.
not Saptami, Shashti Vibhakti Bahuvachan.
Sorry.
Esham.
Correct.
So now you have to change the only lingam.
Okay.
Idam Shabdasya Strilinge Shashti Bahuvachan.
Yetasam.
No.
Assam.
Assam.
Okay. Now about Etad and Etesham, the thing is, I mean, Etat Shabdasya Pullinge Shashti Bahuvachan will be Etesham, not Esham. So I have not given Etesham. So Strilinga Etasam will not be correct, just Assam.
It is in the book, sir.
I don't go by the
It is
book.
from the book.
I mean, if you have read the book, very good. Okay. So that is the discussion about this one. Now, what is the let us decide the marking strategy.
Yes, sir.
I will, okay. Suppose your answer is correct, but there is some spelling mistake. How should I take it seriously?
0 and 1.
All of you agree that if there is a spelling mistake, like, what answer should I give? I mean,
That is important because Shuddhi also must be there. Correctness
Okay.
of writing.
no, I will do one thing. For spelling mistake, I will just cut half mark. Okay. I mean,
My God.
other things are okay. For each question, I mean, half mark for the spelling mistake. And And if your actual lingam, vachanam, vibhakti, everything is wrong, then of
Sir, if there is no spelling mistake, one visarga has happened, then also half mark less.
pardon?
If there is no spelling mistake, but visarga has happened, then also half mark only will be given.
Spelling mistake will be there if visarga will be messing where it is required, and visarga is there where it is not required. That is a spelling mistake.
Okay.
Suppose I want to write Rameshaha or Satishaha. If I don't give the visarga, it is understandable. I mean, it is a mistake. But suppose for Mala, I mean, Ekvachan Shabda Mala or Rama. Ekvachan, I have to give, I don't have to give visarga, but you give visarga, Ramaha for Ekvachan. It is a spelling mistake clearly. Okay? So for such, I mean, with your permission, I will cut only half the mark. Prakash Mahodaya says 0. Okay. But I mean, I'm slightly being lenient. But now, in the first page, on where you have to write the forms that all the 7 vibhaktis and you have to give all the 3. So there, one is a spelling mistake and second is the correct form. Okay, there both should be there, and there it is more dangerous because what happens is the entire question carries only 10 marks, and if here and there are 21 answers. Okay, in 21 answers, if you do in 10 spelling mistakes, you lose only 5 marks. Okay, but if I, as Prakash Mahodaya says, 0 or 1, then I have to cut all the 10 marks. If in the 21 vibhaktis, I mean vibhakti and vachana, 21 forms, if you lose 10 marks just for spelling mistakes in 10 answers, you lose the entire thing. That is not correct. So I decided 5 marks. I mean, half mark. The second question is you have to write the answers. I mean, compose your own sentences. There I have to be little more harder in the sense the sentence as a whole should make some sense. Okay, you write something and then say no. So first of all, the sentence should make sense. Then you'll get full mark. That is first condition. Second condition is the vibhakti, vachanam, and lingam of all the words should be correct. That is the second condition. Third condition is spellings of all. Okay, then only it will carry 1 mark. Otherwise, I have no other choice but to give 0. If any one of them is wrong, I mean, either there is a spelling mistake or there is a error in lingam, vachanam, vibhakti, and third is the entire sentence is not making any sense. Then I'll give 0. Okay. So I'm telling you this one, the gradation, the second question is the most difficult because you have to compose. Now I want you people to learn how to write your own sentences in Sanskrit. Okay. So there, this one, yesterday I could only download all the answer sheets and print them in PDF form and store it on my computer, all the things. And I'm happy that 16 people have written the exam. Only one Bhagini, Meera, she is not well. She sent me a message in the morning itself that I am sitting with a doctor. I'm not well. I don't know what is the problem. Okay, let all of us wish her speedy recovery, whatever the problem be there, and hope she will join in the next week. And but all others have written the exam. I mean, the response is very good. all of you are taking good interest in learning, and till the night before last, people were asking question on WhatsApp. I'm happy. Now, another thing about asking the doubts and all that. If you have any doubt, please don't. I mean, this time I didn't say that. I answered individually everybody. But if you have any doubt, please ask on the group, so that, I mean, this is not to expose your ignorance. Please don't take it in that way. People think that if I ask on the group, others will know, oh, this person doesn't know even this much. No, that is not the idea. Your clearing the doubt will help others, because if suppose somebody else also has the same doubt, he or she will be benefited by that. I mean, I don't have to repeat the same thing for everybody. But in case you want to give some answer, like yesterday's that Laghu Pariksha, there you should not give the answers on the group, because if somebody finishes the paper early, whether right or wrong, I mean, whether all his or her answers are correct, irrespective of that, that is being read by all others. So if your answers are okay, it will be considered as a copying, that you have copied the answers from that person. And if your answer is wrong, then you are misleading the other person. Okay, so for individual answering the thing, please send it individually to me. But for asking the doubt, let it be any doubt. You may think it is a silly doubt, no harm. Please don't feel shy about it. Okay, it may be very simple thing. Okay, and others, I don't think that others will think, oh, this person doesn't know even such a simple thing, silly thing. No, don't think that way. Remove lajjam tyajantu. Okay, remove that what do you say, feeling of shyness from your minds. Here we are all on the same platform. Okay, I may be knowing slightly more than you. Maybe in future some of you will surpass me. Okay, one of my students, now she's appearing for the MA exam. She has already surpassed me. She did Sambhashan Shibiram under me. She did Gita Sopan under me, first, second, third. I could not teach her because I was not here. And then she did MA. Okay, I may invite her one day on our program. She will tell you her experience, how to go ahead with this one. So like that. So right now, I may be knowing a little bit more than you. That's all. I'm ready to share my knowledge, and not only my knowledge, my ignorance also. Some places I may not be knowing. I'm not the ocean of knowledge, but whatever I know, I'll share with you. Okay. So with this, we'll stop here. I mean, the question answer session of the exam is over. Now, in case anybody has doubt, anything, may not be about yesterday's exam, in whatever you have learned so far, or in the general doubt if you are about Sanskrit, please ask, feel free.
Sir, this page number 75.
75, okay.
Sir, there is one Pratama Vanaraha Didiyat Vrichat Tridiyam Vricham Gachadi.
Correct.
How the separate, the another one, Didiyaha Vanaraha, how that will be? How that will be written?
Dvitiyat vrikshat tritiyam vriksham gacchati.
Didiyat?
See, pratamaha vanara pratamat vrikshat.
No, that is okay. Below 25, 24, 23, 22, 21.
Okay, now
For that, how
yeah,
to?
Panchavinchati tamat vrikshat.
Tamat.
Okay, Chaturvinchati tamam vriksham gacchati.
Tamam, okay. Okay, sir.
Hmm?
Oh, okay. Understood.
Sir, can you please explain that in the question paper that apurya manam achala pratishtham, that sentence?
Okay. See, what is the karta there in the send? You read apuryamanam achala pradeshtam samudram
Samudram.
apaha pravishanti. Huh? So what is the verb? Kriyapadam kya?
Pravishanti.
Huh?
Pravishanti.
Pravishanti. And what pravishan? You know what is the meaning of pravishanti?
To enter.
To enter. What is the dhatu?
Pravesh.
No. Dhatu is just wish.
Wish. Yeah,
Upasarga
wish.
pra
Yeah.
and lakar,
Latlakar.
lat lakar, purushaha.
Prathama Purusha Bahuvachanam.
Very good. Okay. So pra upasarga vishadhatu, lat lakar, prathama purush bahuvachan, pravishanti. So the natural question will be who enters? So from the sentence, can you make out who enters?
Samudram.
No,
Object.
no. When 1 minute, that is the confusion. Okay. See, the thing is, samudra is a pullingi shabda. Okay, that is your background knowledge. So when it is samudram, which will be what vibhakti will be there?
Dvitiya vibhakti.
Dvitiya
Dvitiya vibhakti. Okay. I mean, sometimes you may get confused. The napusakalingi shabda is there, something like that. Okay. We should be having little bit. I mean, that background knowledge. What should be the vibhakti? Lingam and pratipadikam of the word. So samudra is a pullingi shabda. So naturally samudram will be dvitiya vibhakti. And why dvitiya vibhakti? That is another question that I will explain later. Then apuryamanam achala pratishtham. What should be the vibhakti again here? Dvitiya vibhakti. So they are the visheshana, that visheshan vishesha bhava of all the three. And as I said in that visheshan vishesha bhava lecture, that one of them will be the Visheshya, rest all will be Visheshanas. So Samudra is a Visheshya and Apuryamanam and Achala Pradeshtam are the Visheshanas. So what is Apuryamanam is one which is being filled continuously. Achala Pradeshtam is one who does not cross its boundaries. These are the two Visheshanas of Samudra. And as everybody knows, the rivers all over the world continuously they pour into this ocean. Okay. So does the ocean cross its boundaries? Forget about tsunami and unnatural things. But normally there is a ebb and there is a tide. That is a natural phenomenon. But barring these two and tsunami, does the ocean cross its boundaries? No, high tide and low ebb is a different thing. That is because of the moon's attraction and all that. But with these, that ebb and tide taken into account, you take some mean line. That is what we call mean sea level. No? So that is always maintained, mean level. So Achala Pratishtam means that it never crosses its boundaries. Who? Samudra. Okay. Now comes to Pravishanti. So in the enter, what enters is Apaha, is the waters of the rivers all over the world. I mean, it's just not one river, Godavari or Kaveri or this. All the rivers all over the world, they keep on pouring into the ocean. Still, the ocean does not cross its limits. That is the meaning. Okay. Now, coming to your question, Apaha. Okay. So, in that, this is who enters is Apaha. Apaha enters. Apaha is the Karta. Now that karta, it can be pullinga, strilinga, or napusakalinga. It can be ekvachanam, dvivachanam, or bahuvachanam. The question of the vachanam can be decided because karta and kriya padam should have same vachanam. Okay. So pravishanti is bahuvachan. So apaha has to be bahuvachan. That is decided. Now, and it has to be in prathama vibhakti because the kriya padam is there and lat lakar. So the karta will be in prathama and kriya padam is bahuvachan. So prathama bahuvachan is decided. Now the question comes, what is the pratipadikam and lingam? So that is again background knowledge. Apaha is the prathama bahuvachan of one word which is up. Just up, nothing more. Not upper. Okay. Just up. Pa is halanta there. And this word up is a strilingi shabda. That is again background knowledge. I think I had discussed this while explaining you that the lingam of the word or the gender of the word in Sanskrit does not depend upon the object that it denotes. During that discussion, I had explained like jalam is a napusakalinga shabda, but water, if you keep the water before you, does it have any gender? Nothing.
Yes.
Huh? Okay. Likewise, nadi. The word nadi, I mean, the nadi is flowing there. Does it have any, can you, like a horse and mare or a bull and cow, does the river has any gender? I mean, in the biological sense, nothing. But why we call nadi as a strilingi shabda? Shabda, the word carries the lingam and not the object in Sanskrit. Okay. So, jalam is water, is napusakalingi shabda. But up again means water, but it is a strilingi shabda. Okay. So now you have to make the question. Now three things are known. It is a lingam is strilingam and it is bahuvachan. And of course, karta will be in prathama vibhakti. So now we have to make the question using kim shabda. So kim shabdasya, kim pratipadikasya, strilingam rupam kim, strilinge rupani katham bhavanti. Ka, ke, kaha, kam, ke, kaha, kaya, kabhyam, ka be like that. So prathama vibhakti will be ka, ke, kaha. So and since aap, that as I said, it is always in bahuvachan. So apaha pravishanti. Ka, question will be kaha pravishanti. Okay. Is it
Yeah, I got
clear?
it. Yes, now I got it.
Huh? Right? No problem. Please ask. No, I mean, we should not feel shy about our doubts. Get the doubts cleared whenever you get. If it is within my capacity, I will clear the doubts. Or else, I mean, it has happened many times in the past. My students have asked me so many questions which I don't know. So I forwarded them to people who are more knowledgeable, and their answers I have given this one. Even in your group also, this group also.
So, but what I didn't understand,
Yeah, tell me.
enters the water.
Pardon?
Apaha pravishanti.
Huh?
The samudra is entering the waters. That is the meaning of the sentence.
But I have underlined the word apaha. So you have to make the question about apaha, not about samudram.
No, what I'm saying is the whole sentence, it means the seas are entering the water. Like that
No,
it
no.
means, or does it mean the water is entering the seas?
Water is entering.
Water
Water is entering the seas.
enters the sea. Okay.
Okay, okay.
One question.
Yeah.
If the up word is changed to jalam, is it visible?
No. I mean, in this question, you have no liberty to change aap from jal.
No,
Huh?
not in this question. But in general, can I also say apuryamanam ajalam pratishtam samudram jalam pravishanti? Can I say it like that?
No, you can say, but it should not be pravishanti. It should be pravishati.
Pravishati. So according to that should be changed.
Yeah. But then the meter, the the rhythm of the shloka will go.
Okay, fine.
Ah.
I was just checking if aap is changed to jala, then that kaha will change to kim.
Kim,
like that.
yes.
Okay.
No more
How
doubt.
do you think? Is it possible for you to give us the model answer script for this question?
I will give. Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, I already prepared, except the first two questions because it depends on your choice.
No, more than first two questions. The next question also said idam, that you would construct the lines, no?
Oh, that way.
Construct the sentences, because that is more difficult than anything else.
No, there. Okay. Now let everybody decide which word I should choose. There are 4 words I have given: idam pullinga, idam napusakalinga, strilinga, adas pullinga, adas strilinga. Which word I should choose?
You can choose any word.
Okay.
The reason I am asking this question is from the perspective that the construction of the sentence will depend on what is my thought process.
Yes.
So my thought process and your thought process may not match.
Okay.
From that perspective, I find it difficult also for you to provide a model answer. But still, I ask the question whether can you really do that?
Now see, you open page number
50.
Yeah, 56. There he has given the words, and I think on the
50 for pullinga.
50 for pullinga, yes. Okay, yeah. 50, page number 50, the bottom portion, he has given all that for idam in napusakaling. Yeah. But here he has not kept the lingam same. Yes, vibhaktis are there, but here the lingam is changing from sentence to sentence. What I had kept space, keep the lingam same and change the vibhaktis only. Anyway, I'll try to give. It is here, page number 56 at the top side. Idam shabdasya, striling. All the three, words are in strilingas. Iyam, imam, anaya, asyai, asyaha, asyaha, asyam. You can.
That is the link of that word.
Huh?
That is the link of that word, what you are given. Either idam pullingi or idam strilingi.
Yeah.
So that is the different words.
Yeah.
But further item which are written then, Em Mama Bhagini is written.
So,
correct, na? So I can also write Em Mama Mata. Correct, na?
Yes. No harm.
From that point of view, I'm saying if you give me model answer as Em Mama Bhagini, which is here also, and if I write Em Mama Mata, whether it will be correct or not is what I wanted to know.
Will be correct.
Okay, then you do not give. It's okay. I understood what is the situation.
I mean, either somebody could have copied this page number 56, the top portion, he or she could have got full marks. There's no this one. Okay. Or you change. Depending upon your thought process, you can use your own words. I want you.
Now when using my own words in my thought process, I feel I am far away from constructing a correct sentence which has everything same correctly. Because these are very simple sentences which are made here.
But see, another thing which we learn in other classes also, and not necessarily Sanskrit classes, even in English, try to construct small sentences to begin with. Don't try to bite more than what you can at this stage. Okay. So start with small sentences, then slowly as you progress, your knowledge, your efficiency will go up. You will be able to form compound sentences, no harm. That is a long process. But in the beginning itself, if you try to jump into deep waters, you'll drown. Okay?
No, but what I am thinking
Huh.
is if in Sanskrit you can write only 2 words and make a sentence. That is also there. But that is not what you are expecting. You are expecting just to at least use 3-4 words so that sentence is made. May not be 10-15 words, but 3-4 words at least should be there.
Okay, we'll do it. Okay, I think today I will think of something and post you some this one words, and using these 3-4 words, construct your own sentence. Okay, and
Okay.
people can. We will discuss in the next class. Okay, how? I mean, depending on you think and then write something. Maybe right, maybe wrong. Don't feel shy. Okay, write
No,
something.
there is nothing. If I feel shy, then I will not learn.
That is what. Okay, so be open. It is human to err, no harm. We are all humans. So this one, okay, write something, send it to me. Composition, maybe one sentence or say 2 sentences. I will say what is wrong or where needs correction. I will correct you people, and then come on. I mean, some of you will be able to write commentaries on the literature. No problem. I'll be very happy. Right? So, anybody, any question?
If I understand it this way, that if question number 2, which is about construction of the sentences, is written 100% correct, then more or less other things are done, isn't it?
No, I didn't get your doubt.
I don't have doubt, but it's just more understanding I'm sharing. If with question number 2, if I can produce correct sentences with correct Visheshan Bhava, Linga, Vachanam and everything, then other 4-5 questions are as if good answered.
Yeah,
I don't see any.
Yeah, correct.
So this is the most important question, I believe.
No, that is why I said that will be the question where I'll be slightly stricter in the correction evaluation. Because I want you people to write correct sentence using the correct, the only freedom that is given in Sanskrit is your words can be the order of the word. I mean, I don't know, Sandesh will tell it is syntax or what is it? Syntax.
Semantics.
No, I mean the order of the word. Order of the word.
Yeah.
Order of the word can be anything. You can put the verb first or verb at the last. You can jumble the words. That is the freedom given in Sanskrit. But each word should have its own vibhakti, vachan, and lingam correct. If it is dhatu, it's lakar. The dhatu, lakar, purush, and vachan should be correct. That's all. These are the only 2 requisites to write correct. And if it is there are visheshanas, then visheshan vishesha bhava should be maintained at all cost. Okay. So we should know vibhakti rupas, the lakar rupas. For that, books are there. You don't have to break your head. Everything is there. Maybe sometimes what happens is some dhatu or some word, it like I have given that words, like pathin. Pathin does not behave like other ending shabdas. To begin with, you may think that it behaves without knowing that it is an odd word. So you'll make mistakes, no harm. it is my duty to point out. And like that, kru dhatu. Okay. Kru dhatu behaves slightly different than pat dhatu. Say pathati, patada, patanti, but if you put kru, you can't say kruti, krutaha, krunti. You have to put karoti, kurutaha, kurvanti, and then karoshi, like that. Okay. Some changes are inevitable. So I can point out that, but try to write something. Okay. So next week, shall we meet with everybody writing some essay about 10 lines?
Yes,
Huh?
yes.
What should be the topic? Just 10 sentences on one particular. Everybody, we will discuss in the class.
My country, Asmakam
हाँ
Desh.
महोदय
Asmakam.
Desh, my country, our country.
Okay, mama deshaha. Okay, right. So, I mean, that is decided. Everybody will write 10 sentences. Try to form simple sentences. Don't go into very hi-fi and all that. Try to construct simple sentences. 10 sentences about mama deshaha. Okay, write it, send it I to me personally. Don't send it on the group so that others don't get misled, either misled or by this one. I mean, as I said earlier, that if your answer is correct, they will get some other this one. If your answer is wrong, they will get misled. Okay, so send it to me personally in next 1 week. Next week we will discuss. I mean, I'll tell you which are the correct sentences, which are the sentences which require a little bit of uh, tinkering here and there, and where it requires. So there are about 15 people today. So 15 into 10, 150 sentences. It will be hell of a work for me to correct. You people will write only 10 sentences. I had to correct 150 sentences. Okay. So no harm. I will do that. But no, this one I will do after the next week. In a week from today to next week, I will be busy in correcting your papers of yesterday. Okay, so we will discuss about these 10 sentences in the week or maybe next earliest opportunity. Try to write something. Okay? And apart from this 10 sentences, in your own notebook, you keep writing something, whatever comes to your mind, no harm. Okay, you may write about music, you may write about politics, you may write about corona, you may write about anything. Okay, write something and then ask that whether this sentence is correct, that sentence is correct, and all that. Okay. So with this, I think we'll stop here. Is it, or shall we continue? I mean, if somebody has any doubt, I will clear. Otherwise, people can.
What do you see for answer sheet?
Pardon?
What is in Sanskrit for answer sheet? I am sending the answer sheet.
Bhagini, just give me 2 minutes. Hold on. There is some big noise going on here. I'm not able to hear your sound, your voice. Let this noise subside. Please ask now because I was not able to hear.
See, how do I write it in this sentence in Sanskrit? I am forwarding the answer sheet. How do I write it?
I forwarded the answer sheet.
Forwarding the answer sheet. Yesterday I wanted to write, I am forwarding the answer sheet, but I don't know what's the right words for it.
Okay. Now, as I said, you start with the known words. Do you know the word for forward? What is the verb for forwarding?
Preshayami.
Okay, presham is just to send, no problem. Okay, so no harm, but I will like presham is okay. So now make the sentence.
Answer is uttaram. Then sheet, I don't know what to write.
Patrika, uttara patrika or uttara patram.
Uttara patram preshayami.
Very good.
Right? Thank you.
Uttara patram preshayami. Very good. See, you yourself have made the sentence. Right? Like that. I mean, no harm. You may make mistakes, but unless you make mistakes, you will not learn. Okay.
Thank you,
I mean, I'll draw your attention to your childhood. How many times you have fallen from the bicycle before you could ride it properly without falling? So like that here also, this is like riding a bicycle. You'll fall. But if you are afraid of falling, then you'll never learn bicycle. Okay, any other thing?
Sir, what is the meaning of Krishna Vid, sir?
Huh?
Krishna Vid. Meaning of Krishna Vid.
Krishna
I
Vid.
think it's on.
No.
Yeah.
Krishna, you know, meaning of Krishna is everything. I mean, all. Krishna is all. And Vid means to know. So one who knows everything is called Krishna Vid.
Okay. Then in page number 33, the 12th one, Asmegam Aksharam. Dash Asmegam Aksharam.
There it is.
The answer is Giram. Actually, what is the Pratipadikam of that word? Giram.
Gir.
Is it Giri Shabda or Gir Shabda?
No, Gir. That's all. No Giri. Giri means.
Okay.
But here Gir means your speech. Vacha.
Speech.
Yeah, Vach.
Okay. Is it Strilingi?
Yes, it is Strilingi Shabda.
Okay, so what's the meaning of that sentence? Giram Asmekam Aksharam?
Asmi is I am. Giram is speech. And Ekam Aksharam, like Om. Om is Ekam Aksharam. Na? So, the speeches I am. That is the meaning.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
No, you asked.
Okay.
Anyway, before the exam, you were asking so many doubts. Please ask.
Sir,
Yes, sir. I have.
Walk. What is the word in Sanskritam?
Walk only.
I'll tell you one question. The minister went on a walk with 7 people. The minister went on a walk.
No, you want WALK.
Yes, sir.
I thought walk means the Sanskrit walk, vacha, ha.
No.
That walk, WALK walk is Atanam. Okay. Atanam is to roam about. I mean, just go for a walk and something like that.
Sir, Giram Shashti Bahuvachanama here?
Yeah.
Shashti Bahuvachana Shabda. So what is the prathama of that shabda? Gihi.
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 Girau, gira.
Then dvivachana girau.
No, dvivachan will be girau.
Gihi. Girau. Then giraha.
Giraha.
Okay, that's the antam is rakaranta.
हाँ,
Which one, sir?
रकारांत शब्द.
Okay.
Sir, one more thing.
हाँ.
Sir, in Bhagavad Gita there are 18 chapters.
हाँ.
In Bhagavad Gita there are 18 chapters. I wrote like this: Bhagavad Gita yam ashtadeshe vargaha sandhi.
Adhyaya.
Adhyaya. Vargaha, no?
No, Varga is a classroom.
Okay, sir. Adhyaya.
It is written Atha Prathamo Dhyayaha, Atha Dvitiyo Dhyaya. Why do you want to change that?
Okay, sir. Correct. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Please come out. Ask any doubt.
नमस्ते महोदय, अनूप कुमार अस्मि.
नमस्ते महोदय, आगच्छतु.
नमस्ते महोदय. इदानीं भवान् निबन्धलेखनविषये छात्राणां चर्चा कुर्वन् आसीत् किल. मम एकविषयम् अस्ति. अहम् एकविषयं पृच्छामि. परिष्कारं बहु क्लिष्टं भवति. समय बहु अधिकम् आवश्यकं. तद् वयं किमपि नूतन प्रयोगः चिन्तयामः. एकविषयं गूगल वाट्सएप मध्ये 20 छात्राः 30 छात्राः प्रेषयति चेत् बहु क्लिष्टं भवति. गूगल ड्रैव मध्ये स्थापयामः चेत् निरन्तरं तत्र एव तिष्ठति. वयं तस्य निष्कासनं न आवश्यकं. वाट्सएप मध्ये यदा कदा निष्कासनं भवति. वयं दूरवाण्या स्थलं नास्ति चेत् वयं निष्कासयामः.
तदपि परन्तु एते सर्वे अपलोड कर्तुं शक्नुवन्ति वा?
शक्नुवन्ति. किं समस्या? गूगल ड्रैव मध्ये इदानीं 3 वर्षीय बालकाः बालिकाः सर्वं यन्त्राणि चालयन्ति स्म. ते ज्येष्ठाः पठनीय एव. यदि भवान् महोदय, अहम् एकविषयं वदामि. यदि भवान् पाठशालां पठति तस्मिन् समये सङ्गणकः नास्ति, तस्मिन् समये दूरवाणी नास्ति. भवान् कथं दूरवाणी चालयति? इदानीं कथं सङ्गणक चालयति? सर्वं मनसि एव अस्ति. सर्वं किमपि नास्ति.
तर्हि महोदय, अहं वदामि, भवान् तत्र एकं फोल्डर् स्थापयतु. एतेषां कृते एव गीतासोपानस्य द्वितीयभागस्य छात्राणां कृते तत्र अस्माकं एस्बि अल्सूर् मध्ये
अहम् एकवारं सर्वेषाम् एक ईमेल् प्रेषितवान्. सर्वे ज्ञातवन्तः वा? सर्वेषाम् ईमेल् अहम् एक सन्देशं प्रेषितवान्. तत्र अस्ति संस्कृतभारती हल्सूर् तः. तत्र एक फोल्डर्, यदि अहम् एक सञ्चिका निर्माणं करिष्यामि संस्कृतभारती हल्सूर् गूगल ड्रैव् अकौण्ट् लेखा मध्ये, तत्र तेषाम् अहं योजयामि. तर्हि ते साक्षात् एडिट् कर्तुं परिवर्तनं कर्तुं शक्नुवन्ति. एक अस्ति एडिट् पर्मिशन् इति.
तथा करोतु.
तद् अहं तथा करिष्यामि. परन्तु तद् भवान् स्मरति वा? GS2 कक्षा समये यदि एकमेव सञ्चिकायां सर्वे प्रेषयन्ति, सर्वे द्रष्टुं शक्नुवन्ति.
सत्यं. तत्
एतद् विषयं वयं स्पर्धा न महोदय, एतद् विषयं स्पर्धारूपेण न एक उत्साहरूपेण स्वीकुर्मः चेत् समस्या नास्ति. एकम् अन्य मम किमर्थं मम इदानीं अहम् एकविषयं वदामि, सर्वेषाम् आह्वानं करिष्यामि. सद्यस्क कक्षा आन्लैन् द्वारा वयं कक्षा पठामः, पाठयामः. अधिकाधिककार्यं आन्लैन् द्वारा एव करिष्यामः. गत षण्मासे तस्मिन् विषये एक निबन्धन लिखित्वा यदि प्रेषयति, वयं सन्देश पत्रिकायां प्रति प्रेषयामः। नम्बूद्रि महोदय अपि मां सूचितवान् किल, झटिति कथं संस्कृतभारती हल्सूर् भागः अधिकाधिकछात्राः शिक्षकाः सङ्गणनं कृतं, एतद् विषये वयम् एकनिबन्धरूपेण प्रेषयामः चेत् अन्ये भागजनाः अपि पठित्वा अनुसरन्ति।
न तत् सत्यम्। इदानीम् एतेषां अस्तु, I'll just announce this one. भवत्सु इदानीम् एव सम्यक् लेखितुं शक्नुवन्ति ते मया प्रार्थितः सन्ति यत् तैः अस्माकं संस्कृतभारती हल्सूर् विभागतः यः कार्यक्रमः इदानीं ये सर्वे कार्यक्रमाः सद्यस्क इत्युक्ते आन्लैन् प्रचलन्तः सन्ति, तेषां विषये किञ्चित् यदि कोऽपि कापि लेखितुं शक्नोति चेत् कृपया लिखित्वा तत् प्रेषयतु। यदि किञ्चित् परिष्कारः आवश्यकः अहं करिष्यामि, सम्यक् अस्ति चेत् वयं सम्भाषण सन्देश पत्रिकां तत् प्रेषयामः। किमित्युक्ते हल्सूर् भागस्य बहवः कार्यक्रमाः प्रचलन्ति इदानीं, परन्तु यदि भवन्तः लेखितुम् इच्छन्ति बहु सन्तोषेण लिखन्तु इति।
अन्येकविषयमपि अस्ति महोदय, अत्र केचन शिक्षकाः सन्ति चेत् अन्यत्र सन्ति चेत् अपि सामान्य पाठशालां महाविद्यालय मध्ये एतद् विषयं प्रचलिता एव। तस्मिन् विषये बहवः निबन्धाः बहवः लेखाः लभ्यते इन्द्रजालमध्ये। तस्य अनुवादमपि कर्तुं शक्नुवन्ति सर्वे, स्वयं चिन्तित्वा लेखनीयम् इति एकं कार्यमस्ति, तथा अनुवादमपि एक उत्तमं कार्यमेव। यदि आन्लैन् द्वारा प्राप्य अनुवादं कृत्वा प्रेषयतु तदपि सम्यक् भवति। वयं किमपि कुर्मः, अन्ये जनाः किं कुर्वन्ति वयं कथं जानीमः वयं।
सत्यं महोदय, एतदपि कार्यमस्ति। अस्तु तर्हि समापयामः महोदय।
महोदय समापयामः।
अस्तु तर्हि अग्रिमसप्ताहे मिलामः। इदानीम् अहं शान्तिमन्त्रम् उक्त्वा रेकार्डिङ्ग् स्थापयामि। सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। धन्यवादः। Before you people, 1 minute, let me stop the recording.